Hello everyone, this is Liang. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this acrylic paint bag out of your old jeans. In this bag, I used acrylic paint on both front and back. It has this ruffle details on the back. If you're interested in how I made this bag, please keep watching and let's get started. This is what I left over from my previously project. First, I'm going to cut off one of the leg underneath the crotch. Once you cut through the inner seam, you'll find there's a little bit of baggy, bumpy area in the middle. So what I do is just to take this away. Simply turn this into a really nice and flat dart. Before I sew this dart on, I just found this black and white polka dot fabric left over from my previously alteration. So I decided to use this as my ruffles to just give a little bit of fun to it. I changed my stitching gale from 2 3/4 to number 5. To make ruffles, all you have to do is sew a basting stitch along the edge and then pull on one of the threads to gather it. With the ruffle, I just simply sandwiched it into the dart that I just created. After sew the ruffle on, trim the extra fabric. By folding the fabric, I just gave myself a measurement with 13 by 14 inches. Next, I'm going to use acrylic to paint my fabric. In order to hold enough pigment for the teeth of my fabric, I have to brush them up and down instead of brush them horizontally. Next, we're going to work on the lining. I collected these small pieces from what I left over in my previously projects. Sew them together and make them work. The measurement of my lining is 13 by 14 inches. So you're going to cut one piece of your lining fabric on fold. You're going to sew the top and the bottom line. Make sure there's a small opening left over about 3 inches. Next, we're going to sew and trim the two corners. The measurement of the bottom line of the triangle, or the depth of my bag, is going to be 3 inches. You're going to trim the corners after you sew them on. And now you should have the basic shape of the lining. Set your lining aside. We're going to sew the denim fabric. Sew the top and the bottom line, and also those two corners. Next, we're going to work on the strips. The measurement of the strips I have is 2 by 24 inches. You're going to cut 2 pieces on denim fabric. Fold them in half and sew along. And you're going to use the loop turner to turn them over. Next, you're going to attach the strips to your bag. The distance between the strips is 6 inches on my bag. After sew them on, you're going to turn your bag inside out. Find your lining opening, pin, and sew. And then you're going to flatten your bag opening, top stitching at 1/2 inch. Last but not least, let's do some final touches. Alright, we're all on a project. Here is the final transformation.